Welcome back to MarineMax Georgia on Lake Lanier. My name is Quinn Seagraves, and today we're on one of the biggest pontoon boats here on Lake Lanier. This is the brand new Premier 2023 Escalante. This one is going to have everything you need for you and 22 of your best friends to enjoy the lake. As you notice on this boat, something's a little different. Not only is it 10 feet wide, it's about 2.5 feet larger than most of the others on the lake, it's also 33 feet long, so you're going to have plenty of entertainment space and access to storage and premium luxury features. Up here in the bow, you will have a filler seat that gives you a nice continuous seating arrangement throughout the front. Nice little bow storage in the center tune. And just notice that every one of these seats will have not only one in-charge phone holder, but in the cup holders you'll have another circle down in the middle. So every seat that you see will typically have two different sections to charge. Nice little table section here for your co-pilots, a little table so that they can have their little lunch or meals as you drive the boat. And over here at the helm of this boat, it is amazing. You will have access to your big Simrad screen, your in-charge phone holder, nice Isotta steering wheel that gives you some controls of all of the boat, engine switches, and this boat does come equipped with twin motors and a joystick. Here in the back portion of the boat, you will have a nice dining section. This table does fold down if you want to turn this into a bed. So you'll have a nice area here that gets a little later in the day or you just want to take a nap. You will be able to lower this and allow you to stay. Stairs up to the top, which we'll come back to in a moment, and a nice entertainment space on this boat. It's well equipped, so you will have a fridge, a sink with not only a sink, but it gives you a storage spot for your cutting boards, drying rack, and a nice little tub to do your dishes in. USB ports, slide out drawers, and again, look out for these. There's about 6 or 7 of these on board to charge all your phones. Back here in the back are two of my favorite features you don't see much on a pontoon boat. First, a head. So you have a nice little walk-in section that you don't have to worry about height, little sink, and it's great for when you are entertaining. Someone's going to inevitably have to use the restroom. Very big, spacious back swim platform. Very heavy-duty staircase that lowers down into the water. And then, as you see, both motors are trimmed all the way up, so you can keep this boat stored very nicely. And I mentioned one feature earlier that we'll show you now. We do have a second story on this Premier. As you walk upstairs, you will see at my feet here, you have a 5-person capacity up here on the top deck. This just allows you to make sure you're staying safe on the water. The slide that we saw earlier, and then when you're up here, you have beautiful views, 360 around the boat, nice high rail so whoever's up here does feel safe, and plenty of seating for up to 5 adults. We'd love to show you this boat in person, so if you have a chance, give us a call. My name's Quinn. I'd love to show you this boat.